Here's a question. Have you studied music, or is everything you do self-taught? And that's a really great question. Now, when you say studied music, even if you're self-taught, you can still technically study music, right? So the way I see it is I did study music, but through self-experimentation, through being an autodidact and looking at resources and trying to make sense of the chaos that music can be and trying to narrow it down to an organized sort of pattern, something like that. And so that's been a really fun journey. It's definitely taken me a long time to do that comfortably, to kind of play between modes and things like this. But there's no need. You don't necessarily need to go to a music school to play music at all. Not at all. I mean, if anything, the best thing about going to music school is that you get to meet and be with like-minded individuals who have a similar kind of interest in you. That's I think the most important thing about being in a school or an education system like that. Other than that, though, the learning process, you can learn everything yourself. That's kind of my approach. I love to just teach myself as much as I can. I'm kind of obsessed about that and just trying to make sense of everything, be as efficient as possible. But yeah, I really enjoy the self-teaching. That's really been my focus in life, to just really focus on that and the exploration of different tunings and things like that, right?